Hi YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode. This mystery box is $1,150 from Sole Supremacy, guys. A Sole Supremacy beater box, the best beater boxes in the game. So we are going to be checking this one out today. There's all kinds of different shoes in there, new, used, different sizes, some with boxes, some without boxes, and the whole point of these boxes are to make money. So these are basically reselling boxes. Essentially what happens is, like, these sneaker shops and stuff, they send out a huge box of things in bulk, so that way you guys can clean them up, and when you guys clean them up and stuff, you put them on your websites or you sell them on GoDaddy or something like that. You sell them and you try to make money on these boxes. So that's what we're going to be trying to do today, guys. And as a heads up to you guys, if you guys want to buy any of the shoes in this box, they will be on untitledwarrior.com. Anyway, let me open this up and we'll see what we got. Okay, well, first things first, this is a heavy box, guys. I noticed this one was probably like over 20 pounds, so there should be like, I want to guess like 8 or 9 shoes in this one, which is a lot of shoes. If you guys didn't watch the last video that we did, it was basically the fastest beater box we ever did, which was 3 shoes. This one's like 3 times that. Anyway, the first shoe that we got out over here, this one does not have a box, and it looks like a pair of Air Max 1s. So I think these are the De'Aaron Fox's Air Max 1s, guys. These things are actually pretty dope. The size that we got over here is a size 4Y, so it is a youth shoe, and it has a what the look on this entire thing, which I think is pretty darn sick. Check it out up close over here. De'Aaron Fox Air Max 1. You guys can see on the back it does say Swipa. The upper is pretty beat up. I don't see any like markings or cuts though, which is a good sign. Overall, the shoe does look good though. It does have a what the kind of look. So this right shoe over here is different from the left shoe over here. You guys can see there is a difference in contrast and colors. I'm not sure how the resale of this will go, but not a bad sneaker to start it off. Next shoe out over here looks like a pair of Jordan 1 lows in a quart purple kind of colorway. This one is also in a 4Y, and it also does not have a box. And I'm not a huge fan of Jordan 1 lows, guys. I think that these things are having a resurgence in terms of like resale value and stuff. I just think that people are associating the word Jordan 1 with, you know, resale value. So I'm thinking that's why people really like these. However, for myself, not really a big fan of this. But in terms of this shoe, this one does look pretty darn clean. There isn't a lot of creasing over the toe box over here. Bottoms definitely are dirty though, so this is a worn sneaker. However, it is a lot better looking than the Air Max 1s that we just saw, so maybe this will fetch a better price. I'm not too sure though. I have to check after the video when I do all the pricing and stuff. You guys see it in real time. I have to do it after the video. All right, so the next one is a pair of Ultra Boost. We're switching it up. Got an Adidas box over here. This one is a size 9.5, and okay, it's actually a pair of DS Ultra Boost, guys. The Ultra Boost used to be like one of my favorite shoes, and it still is a very, very comfortable shoe in my opinion. The 1 was the best, then the 2, then the 3, and now it's just I'm not really feeling it anymore. But this one is definitely a DS pair, as you guys can see. Tag is attached on this one, so that is dope. It is like a good workout shoe, and I used to run in these like all the time as well, so it's not a bad running shoe either. Oh my gosh, we got so much boxes left, dude. Oh no. Oh, this is disappointing. It looks like we have multiple pairs of the same shoes in this box, so that may be a good thing, that may be a really bad thing. It is a women's Jordan in a size 8, so I think that comes out to like a man's 6.5. And for this one, I'm hesitant. I'm not really feeling good about this. I don't even know what this is. What in the world is this? No difference, no uniscent. Okay, I probably butchered that completely, and this is what I was trying to read with a very like bad reading of that, so yeah, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It does have a clear sole, and so there's no dirt on the bottom over here. I don't see any issues over here, so a DS pair of these is good to see. And so this is why I was a little bit hesitant, is because there's another shoe box over here. Oh dude, there might be 5 of the same shoes in here. That's not good. This one is also a size 8. Let me just blaze through all of this, guys. Look what we got. Another one, same shoe. So we'll just put that over there. Oh my gosh, guys. This is not good. Look, another one of the same box. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, so this one is a different box. This one is a women's size 8 Air Jordan 1 high though. And for this one, oh, what in the world is this? Ooh, I actually remember seeing this one drop, I think last year. There should be a newer shoe. Can't remember what the name of this is, unfortunately, but it's probably up on the screen over here. This one is very unique because it does look like they dipped the shoe in this like brown color, which is kind of cool. I think that's dope. Also has a gum bottom, which I really like over here. And like I said, this one is DS, so dead stock, brand new. Should be pretty easy to move, even if it doesn't have a lot of like resale value, because obviously people want to get the new sneaker over the used sneaker. So this should be kind of good in resale value. I'm not sure though. And like I told you guys, there's still more of these things, man. Like, see, look, another size 8 in the same exact colorway. Same colorway, size 8. Again, that's 3. That's 3 of the same box. I'm hoping that these things are worth like 300 bucks, because then I would be freaking out, but I don't think that's the case. Can't complain though, like I said, it is brand new, so that is the good thing. Over here we have another one, but this one, oh no, this one is actually damaged over here on the side, so this is not considered brand new if you sold it to like StockX or GOAT. This one is a size 8 though, in women's again. I think this is a different colorway though. Yeah, so this one is like that other shoe that we just saw. I would say the other shoe is a lot better looking than this one, to be honest though. This one is a little bit too colorful for me, a little bit too much red. Kind of got the Christmas vibes going on over here, so not a big fan of that. But again, this one is brand new as well. In terms of like brand new dead stock shoes, this is probably a record. We got like 5 back to back to back to back. I wish they were a little bit more hype, but I mean, brand new is better than worn, so we'll take it. Over here we have an Air Max 720, and it says an Air Max 720 OBJ. I'm assuming this is the Odell Beckham's. Man, I don't like this, dude. I do not like this at all. I don't know, it looks really chunky, so that is interesting. You guys know who OBJ is, Odell Beckham Jr. I believe he plays for the Cleveland Browns now, so yeah, that's cool. It has name association to it. But in terms of if I actually want to wear this shoe, that's a big no from me. A very colorful shoe. This is the kind of shoe that I think of when I think of like outlet sneakers though. No offense to Odell Beckham Jr., he's a baller on the field, but man, this thing, I don't know. What the heck is this? This is strange. I've never seen this on a sneaker before. But yeah, other than that, man, very colorful and worn, so I'm not sure how much this goes for. Maybe this is actually one of the more expensive shoes in the box because it's rare, but I don't think so. And even if it is, I do not like that shoe still. That doesn't change the fact that I don't think it's that great looking. All right, 2 shoes left in here, guys. Kind of a weirder box so far. This one is an Air Presto in a medium size, so this comes out to like a size 9 to 11. The Prestos are a size range. They're not actual like individual sizes. So yeah, that's just a heads up to you guys. This one is a pair, okay, this is actually a good sneaker. So this is a pair of the South Korea Air Prestos. This one is pretty darn dope though. It does have like a zebra pattern and this like blue and red over the shoe. And again, close up, you guys can see that South Korean flag, so that's kind of cool. And we do have one last shoe in here, so I'm hoping this one is a little bit more hype. This one is a size 8.5 Yeezy Boost 350. Ooh, okay. We have a pair of the Yeezy, oh no. Oh, this is sticky. This is gross. What the heck? I think somebody put a sole shield on this and then they peeled it off. I hope that's the case. This is a Yeezy Beluga, as you guys can see though. I'm gonna hold it kind of far away. I'm not sure if you guys can see it in the camera, but it is definitely glossy on the bottom, so I'm gonna try to stay away from that. Bottoms, as you guys can see though, it is definitely like some kind of residue on the shoe. I don't know what the heck that is, but I'm assuming it's one of those sole shield protectors where people try to protect the bottom of their shoes. But it doesn't make sense to me why they do that, because when you guys put this on and then peel it off, like, it doesn't make it good. Look at this. I'd rather have a dirty bottom than have all this sticky stuff underneath. At least this one is a hype shoe, and it should fetch a decent resale value as well. So I'm assuming like the calculations and stuff over here weren't super great. I could be completely wrong, and you know, maybe I just completely missed the mark on this box, but when I'm going through it in like real time right now, that's just how I feel like in my head. So we'll see how it is after the video, and you guys saw it in real time. Anyway, like I mentioned before, all of these shoes will be on untiedhawaii.com, so if you guys want to cop any of these shoes, check it out over there. Additionally, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. It goes a long way in helping the channel, and I just really appreciate everybody that supports what I do and hits that like button. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it 100%. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below as well, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!